Hi, my name is Héctor Carvajal, and today we're going to be brewing the MiiR new Standard Moka Pot. I personally love this brewer because it is quick and easy to use, and it doesn't take much time. First, you want to remove the upper body from the base and then take the funnel out. So now we are going to fill the base with 300 milliliters or 10 ounces of water, and just make sure to always go under and not over the valve right here, and make sure that you only ever use water in here and no other type of liquid. Now we are going to grind some coffee. I always recommend for the Moka Pot that it should be on a finer setting, whether using a manual grinder or an electrical automatic burr grinder. It's always better on the finer side so the coffee can fully extract. It's time to fill the funnel with brown coffee. I typically fill it just to the top, and I don't press it or tap it down so the coffee doesn't have a hard time brewing up or it doesn't get clogged or anything. It should just be leveled and full to the top, but it shouldn't be over compacted or anything like that. It should just be at the top, nice and leveled, nice and smooth, not pressed, and it'll be a smooth process coming up. So when it's full to the top, I would say just tap it on the sides to make sure it's all leveled. Don't press it, don't tamp it down. That way it's not overstuffed and the coffee has a hard time coming up. You should be good to go. So now we're going to tightly screw the body back onto the base on top of the front. Now we're going to place this on the burner. Heat settings, I typically like to go for a medium to low flame. This way the coffee doesn't brew too fast and it's under extracted. And it also prevents it from boiling at the top when the coffee is done brewing. See the coffee starting to come up on the stem, that's when you know it started brewing. You know when the coffee is ready when you see the steam coming up and you hear like a little gargle sound up top, because it's just releasing steam now. There's no more coffee coming up, and at that point it should be good to go. Now it's time to remove the Moka Pot from the burner. Just be careful because sometimes this can get hot depending on the heat setting you used. That's why I recommend the low setting is best, so it brews the coffee evenly and it doesn't make this handle too hot and you can just grab it. Now it's time to pour up. This should have made about 8 ounces of fresh coffee. And that for you is the new Standard MiiR Moka Pot. Thank you for joining us.